Hello, this is Sally, and in this video I'm going to show you how to post pictures and PowerPoint slides into the Jam. So first of all, here's a post I made earlier. So you can see that I started with some text, then I added the image from a PowerPoint slide, then I added another picture and I made that a bit smaller, more text, and then another slightly larger picture, and then finish off with some text. So you can add multiple pictures to any of your posts so that you can make your post more interesting and really help the discussion with the other participants in the Jam. So before I show you how to add pictures, just one thing to bear in mind is that you can attach picture files in this way, pictures and photos, but you can't attach whole documents like PowerPoint files, Word files or Excel files. So if you want to include any pictures from a PowerPoint slide, you need to convert them into a picture, and I'll show you later in this video how to do that. So now I'm going to add some pictures to a post in the Jam. So here's a post that I've just created, and you can see that I've started putting some text in for this. So go to the place where I want to insert the picture and click this little icon here that allows you to upload an image or picture. So if I click on there, it brings up another little window to insert and find the image. So click this icon to the right of the source box and it will open your hard drive window. So find the file that you want to upload, and I'm going to add in the Jam Jar picture. So I can either click on the picture and click open, or I can double click on the picture. And you can see now the little green bar says please wait while it's uploading the picture. You can add in an image description, although to be honest I haven't yet found out where the system uses that description, so no doubt I will find out one day where it goes and then it will be useful. So please put in a description, and then you can either let the picture fill the whole of the window, so it will fill the whole of your post from left to right, or you can put in some dimensions. So I actually find it easier to put in dimensions here, and I always just put in 200 by 200 to start, and then I can easily stretch the picture, make it larger or smaller to show exactly the size that I want. I also always leave this constrain proportions box checked to make sure the picture maintains its original aspect ratio, and that will override one of these two numbers here to make sure the aspect ratio stays correct, and then click OK. So you can see it's added my picture. You can align it in your post, so I can center it if I want, or left align it. I can click on it, I can stretch it, I need to scroll down a bit, I can shrink it, and there you go, I've added a picture to a post. And if you want to carry on adding text below it, just click on the text and start adding some more data. Here is the next picture. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is add a PowerPoint file. So for that I'm going to show you how to create a JPEG file, i.e. a picture file from your PowerPoint slide, and then you can add that picture into your post as well. So I want to add this PowerPoint slide into my post. So to do that I need to convert it into a JPEG image or use another file format. So to do that it's very simple. In PowerPoint, go to File, Save As. Navigate to where you want to save it. I'm going to save it in this folder. Put in the correct file name. Posting pictures, title, slide. When you've entered the file name, what you need to do now is select Save As Type, and instead of PowerPoint presentation, the format I always use for this is using a JPEG file. So find JPEG, select that, and then save. PowerPoint will then prompt you to say, do you want to save all slides or just this one? So normally I just want to save this single slide that I'm looking to post into the Jam. But if you save all slides, it will basically create a new folder for you and save each slide as a separate JPEG file. So if you want to put a few slides from your PowerPoint file into the Jam, select all slides, and then you can just pick and choose the ones you want to add into your post. But for me now, I just want to save this one. And there you go. If I now navigate to my file structure, go back to where I think I've saved it, and there it is, posting pictures title slide. And then the next step is to go back to my post in the Jam, find that picture and add it in. So I hope that video has helped you add pictures to your post in the Jam and make them more interesting. I am going to also post one other small video on using the window snipping tool to grab screenshots that you might want to convert into pictures and add those to the Jam as well, but that's in another video. Happy jamming!